Hi everyone, I'm Miss Bright, and today we'll explore something super helpful, progressive tenses. Have you ever wanted to describe something happening right now, that was happening before, or that will be happening in the future? Well, that's exactly what the progressive tenses do. Progressive tenses are used to describe actions that are ongoing. In other words, something that's happened over a period of time. We can create sentences in present tenses by including a be verb and a main verb with the ing suffix. There are three main types of progressive tenses: present progressive, past progressive, and future progressive. Let's take a closer look at each one. First, we have the present progressive tense. This one is used for things happening right now, as we speak. To make a present progressive sentence, you take a present form of the verb to be, like am, is, or are, and then you add the ing suffix to the main verb, which creates the form of the verb called the present participle. For example, the sentence, I am dancing, uses the verb am and the present participle of dance, which is dancing. You can dance too and use the present progressive tense by saying, I am dancing. Use the be verb is for someone else that is dancing. The cat is dancing. Use the be verb are for more than one dancing. The robots are dancing. All of these sentences use the present progressive tense. Next up is the past progressive tense. This is used for actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. Just like the present progressive, you'll use a form of the verb to be, but this time you'll use was or were. Here's examples. Yesterday, I was taking photos. In this sentence, I used the verbs was taking to make the past progressive tense. Use the be verb were for more than one subject. Birds were flying. I used the verbs were flying to make the past progressive tense in this sentence. Finally, let's talk about the future progressive tense. We use this when we want to talk about something that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Here's how it works. Use the words will be and the ing form of the verb, the present participle. For example, tomorrow, I will be working at my computer. This means at some point tomorrow, the action of working at my computer will be happening. And that's all there is to it. The present progressive tense is for actions happening right now, like I am talking. The past progressive tense is for actions that were happening in the past, like I was talking. The future progressive tense is for actions that will be happening in the future, like I will be talking. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a progressive tense pro. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.